are some fine young, very educated guys and gals, as we do every year, ready to violate, annihilate, and cleanse our souls. But things took a turn. Your dear neighbors informed us that you, the Sandins, have inexplicably given him sanctuary. Mr. and Mrs. the man you're sheltering is nothing but a dirty homeless pig. Alive. So that we may purge as we are entitled. Here's the plan, Sandins. You have until our provisions arrive, provisions which will help us break into your elegant home. And on you. And, we can enter any home we want. And we will want. As wanting is our will on this fine night.